The Hammerhead 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver is kind of like the Swiss Army knife of screwdrivers. Sure, you can zip in or remove a screw with ease, but you can also light an area, strip and bend wire, and detect a live circuit all in the palm of your hand. The Hammerhead 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver has a forward-reverse ring that activates with a simple twist. Once activated, the LED lights turn on, illuminating your work. When not in use, the spindle locks and can be used like a manual screwdriver. A circuit sensor is located at the front of the tool. Press the voltage detection button and place the sensor within 1 inch of a switch, outlet, cord, or fixture to see if it is live. A light and a buzzer will let you know if electricity is present. An integrated wire stripper makes short work of taking off an insulation sleeve, and wires can be bent using the bending slot on top. Take the guesswork out of any electrical project and use a rechargeable screwdriver that just does more. The Hammerhead 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver. Hammerhead. Work smarter.
CLC Work Glove model number 125. The Handyman gloves from CLC deliver an unmatched blend of style, function, and quality. They're form-fitted for added dexterity and reduced fatigue. By using quality materials and time-tested construction methods, this dynamically styled glove is as tough as they come. Padded knuckles fortify and protect your hands on any job. Soft, synthetic leather palm material provides increased comfort and strength. Elastic cuffs allow for easy-on, easy-off strap closure for convenience. Abrasion-resistant fingertips ensure durability, while the 3 touchscreen fingertips permit easy use for phones and tablets. Take on any job, big or small, with the Handyman gloves from CLC.
Expandable, powerful, versatile. The Connect modular clamp system from Crescent redefines expectations of what a clamp can do. 500 pounds of holding power secures your work with almost 60% more force than comparable clamps. That's strong enough to hold heavy objects upright with confidence. But the real power of the Connect clamp is its integrated connection system that lets you join and rotate multiple clamps to achieve almost any position. Odd angles and difficult corners, like those on cabinets and furniture, are securely held in position. Crescent twin locks allow you to easily add additional clamps, expanding your connection options. Simply attach a twin lock on the end of the rail and slide another Connect clamp into place. Connect clamps are equally useful as a spreader. Lift the bar lock, slide and reverse the position of the head. The trigger action now applies force in the opposite direction. Large pads provide maximum surface contact and protect delicate surfaces. Pads can be removed to gain additional clearance when working in tight spaces or around overhanging edges. An integrated pipe grip is molded into each connect clamp. Round objects are locked down tight, preventing twisting when cutting and/or drilling. Durable rubber grips add comfort and prevent slips. And Connect clamps are built to last, with the rugged quality that has made the Crescent brand famous. Connect clamps are available in 6 and 12-inch sets, and the twin lock accessory. Crescent. Innovation then and now. The Quick Convert multi-driver from Crescent replaces the need to carry multiple fastening tools. Integrated into the corrosion-resistant polished chrome shaft are 3 common-size nut drivers and 4 sizes of durable premium-grade Phillips and slotted bits. 2 unique features make the Quick Convert multi-driver a must-have tool you'll use every day. First is the T-handle conversion that significantly increases torque. In a single tool, you have the speed of a straight handle and the power of a T-handle. To convert, just pull the shaft, rotate the handle, and push to lock in place. Second is a built-in Crescent universal socket that conforms to any fastener shape from 1/4 to 1/2 inch for a secure fit that won't slip. This feature alone replaces an entire tool belt of different type drivers. The dual material cushioned handle provides a non-slip grip and resists oil and grease. One single tool, extreme versatility. That's Crescent innovation. Visit CrescentTool.com to learn more about the Quick Convert multi-driver.